We cleaned out the entire interior, so we even managed to get the hieroglyphics off that little part there. We removed these entire seats. The underneath was completely caked with mud. Same with the rear over there. And as you can see, we also removed the headliner. So I now have ample room above my head, so I can just sit normally without it pressing down on my hair, making it all feel weird. Sadly, that also meant the discovery of more rust. Yay! No longer smells like a combination of smoke and like Corona, because yeah, these were filled with ash, and especially this one here in the back. But we also found like €1 worth of coins, €1 and a couple cents. So yes, we're making money already.
On the exterior we did a power wash, so all the panels went from looking like this to looking like this.
Okay, so we'll be removing the door cards and trying to fix the windows.
Okay, we open up the door, it looks like this from the inside, and as you can see this pipe is completely rusted to shit. That's why the window is not opening properly.
WD-40, your best friend.
It turns out all the oil also fixed the car locks, so they work properly now.
And report for day 3. We fixed the inside here in the rear. The window is not quite completely fixed, but it used to be able to go down to about here, and now it's about to go about just above there. For some reason it doesn't work. I have temporarily stored all these broken ones in here, but as you can see, this is how far it used to be able to open, and now it can open like this, and then it gets stuck and we can't put it up again. The outer door locks also now work, which means people can no longer get in my car, but they can get from behind. Fucking sucks.
We also rebent the fuel filler cap and fixed the lock by taking it out and just sprouting a WD-40 on it.
The rear used to not be able to lock. Now it locks and also unlocks again. And if I lock it and then I come all the way over here and I pull this, it unlocks again. All it really needed was some WD-40 over there and some WD-40 over there. The rear wiper motor was broken and the rear sprayer was also broken. However, we took out all the electronics for it. We did a shit ton of testing, and it turned out the only thing that was wrong is that this little button was dirty on like the plate that contacts the metals. Now, look over there. The fuse fucking died again. On my test drive, I seem to have damaged the fuse box once again, because I have lost the rev counter. I have lost this switch. I've lost this other switch that we just fixed. And I've also lost all my wiper stalk stuff. So that's gonna have to be fixed tomorrow, because today we're gonna have a picnic. I have a Coke here. I have some bitterballen and a very nice view. End of day 4. We fixed the rev counter. It works again, yes. Fix all the fuses. And now I can finally show you. It is working! It works! You can see we also removed the radio. It is broken. The speaker is also broken. The cables are, for some reason, less than they should be. So we even tried attaching a different radio, but we couldn't because the cables were wrong. So we're gonna rewire that. This part is a clock. It sort of works. Supposedly this line will show if it's AM or PM, but you know, this entire clock is just like, what the hell. Also, some chick on the side of the street waved at me, and with my Corona beard and just general state of meanness, it had to be the car, so it must be looking better.
Well guys, that was it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I know this was quite a short little update video, That's because I'm gonna go get the Sunny certified, and I want to try to make a video trying to fix it up to get it certified, you know, as one whole video. So that will be next week's video or something. I don't know, let's see how long it takes me, and hopefully it works out and we actually get it certified.